Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to another session of Jackpot Gist with IBK. On things people living in diaspora will never tell you. All they'll tell you is there is cold, there is cold. That's all they will tell you. So things they'll never tell you. We do eat ice fish. You know ice fish? Eja kika, eja tutu. We do eat ice fish in abroad. We eat ice fish in the abroad. So watch me how we fry fish in diaspora. That's how we fry fish. When the steam is too much in the house, you're gonna hear the alarm. Woo, 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 woo. Meaning the hotness of the steam from your cooking is too much for the house. And if you're not careful, if you didn't off the alarm, the firefighter is gonna come. So these are things people living in diaspora will never tell you.